Hi there, students. Enterprise. Okay, enterprise is a noun, both countable and uncountable. Let's see. As an uncountable noun, enterprise means you're willing to do new things. You use energy and initiative. The adjective is enterprising. If you describe somebody that is as enterprising, you say they are brave and daring at attempting some task, or they're very able and ingenious and find solutions to problems. So if you call somebody enterprising, this is a very positive thing. Yeah, he showed a lot of enterprise by dealing with the situation without calling me or referring to me. Okay, an enterprise as a countable noun is a company, a business, an organisation, something you're trying to do, a project or a plan. So the building of a dam is a very big enterprise. Okay, it's something that needs a lot of organisation. There are small enterprises that work in the railway arches on the industrial estate. So small businesses, yeah, an enterprise, an undertaking, a venture, a project, yeah. This enterprise aims to reduce water pollution within the national park. Okay, so enterprise, yeah, it talks about wanting to do new things, to be innovative, to try something difficult. Yeah, so an organisation, especially a business, or a difficult and important plan, especially one that will earn money. So a commercial enterprise, that's a very good collocation. The private enterprise is to make money for individuals. These are businesses that are run privately. This is not a government enterprise, this is private enterprise. Yeah, or if somebody is enterprising and they show a lot of enterprise, they are being new, they're being clever despite the risks of doing it. Yeah, we need somebody with enterprise to take charge of this project. Yeah, somebody enterprising to take charge of the enterprise, because they are willing and have energy to do something that takes a lot of risk, that has a lot of risk and maybe a lot of effort as well. Okay, so yeah, a manufacturing enterprise, a farming enterprise, a small enterprise, a big enterprise, state-owned enterprise, a multinational enterprise, foreign enterprise, domestic enterprise, a family-run enterprise, a family-run business. Okay, so as a countable noun, an enterprise is a business. But you can show enterprise, you are willing to be innovative, to do difficult things, to do things that may fail or may lose money, and you are enterprising, you're trying new, innovative ways of doing it. You could use the adverb as well, enterprisingly. He enterprisingly resolved this of his own accord without referring to anybody. Yeah, agriculture is one of the main enterprises of this country. Yeah, it's one of the main businesses. Yeah, one of the interests, the ways where it earns money. Private enterprise is basic to capitalism. Yeah, some people say we are in an enterprise culture where initiative in business and making money is the most important thing. Okay, so an enterprise, yeah, an industrial enterprise, yeah. If you lack enterprise, then he's not very enterprising. He doesn't find solutions of his own accord. Okay, so what about origin? Well, we have an old French, and I think probably modern French as well, word entreprise, yeah, which comes from entreprendre, okay, which itself comes from Latin inter, between, and prendere, to take. So to take between, I guess, to take an opportunity that is between other things. Okay, so enterprise, enterprising. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Enterprise, enterprising, enterprisingly.